Hello, students. My name is Dr. Elijah, and today I want to share with you a method of studying that helped me to go through my master's degree, my first doctoral degree, and my second heavily research oriented degree. So, to keep myself in a sane condition, I had to schedule my life. So, my life would not schedule me. And I suggest you take a calendar, similar like that at McNeese. And so, you have this August, you have September, you have October, right? And you put that calendar in front of your in front of your place where you study, and then you take the syllabus for the first course. It's important to put your calendar above the place where you study because each time you sit down, you will see your entire life from August till December scheduled, what assignments on what due date you need to submit, and when you have to start working on those assignments to submit them for those due dates. That's the key. So in addition to having a calendar, and this one is kind of too busy, too noisy already, so you probably will be better off if you take a calendar from Dollar General or Dollar Tree, and it's empty and it's nice. So the important issue is here. You take the syllabus from the first course and you see the assignments and when they are due. A good professor will always give you the due date on those assignments. When you have a class with a syllabus and each assignment on that has an each assignment has a due date. So you look into the content of that assignment. If that's a chapter to read and to take a quiz up after that, like in 241 Family Relations course, then you put it's due on Friday, so you put Thursday. You two chapters, two quizzes, so 3 hours of work. Thursday, 241, 3 hours. And you need to complete that on that Thursday. Okay, take another week. Scroll down in that 241 Family Relations course, and you see another week, second week. You have two more quizzes, two more chapters to read. You do Thursday, and you go all the ways. Every Thursday, you will have to be studying for that course on Friday. So because it's due on Friday, and you do it on Thursday, right? So good. So you go all the way, all 15 weeks, and you schedule your life for that specific class. And you have August, you have September, you have October, you have November, you have December. Okay, and it's all in front of your place where you study. Then you take another syllabus for another course, and you repeat the same. And when you come to the first week, and you will see that for the second course, oh, actually, you have this assignment due on Friday as well. But you look into it, and it's more than just a quiz and reading a chapter. Oh, you have to start it not on Thursday, because on Thursday you already have 3 hours dedicated to the first class, right? Family Relations 241, my class, right? So, and the second class is, let's say, it's computer science, okay? So computer science 101, and you need to work kind of those problems, and you have to start on Wednesday. Well, guess what? You do Wednesday then, and you put it must start computer science 101, such an assignment on Wednesday, first week. You take the second week on that class, and you see what's due on the second week, and on the third week, and on the fourth week, and on the 15th week, all the way from August till December. You schedule your life that way. Must start due date for that specific assignment. If you want, you can start earlier one day just for an accidentals, right? For all kind of accidentals we have in life. And maybe for right to excellence center, that's another day that I added to my own. Well, I actually added like 2 days. And if I'm to write a research paper, oh my, it takes me like 5 weeks to write a research paper. So because I need to write it down and lay it aside, let my brain refresh, and then I come up next day and I rewrite again, and then I send it to somebody to read it and give me some feedback. And at McNeese we have Right to Excellence Center. Right to Excellence Center is free. Mathematics labs are free. Chemistry, whatever science course is free. So you go to the tutoring center at McNeese and uh, take advantage of those available opportunities for you to better your grades in those classes. But back to scheduling your life with the syllabus. in each course. So we've done two courses already, right? We have Family Science 241 and then Computer Science 101. So you have a third course. Let's say it's Political Science 201. So you take and you read. Okay, first week just reading. Okay, schedule your reading. When it's due? Oh, it's a quiz. Okay, so if it's due on Friday, well, on Thursday you already do Family Relations. On Wednesday you already do Computer Science 101. So you have to do Political Science when? On Tuesday. And then you take a fourth syllabus on the first week. And what do you do? Okay, you have an assignment. How long will it take you? Oh, the fourth week is just nothing, and you don't have to read anything. You don't have to just, do a forum post about yourself, who you are, where you come from, what you like, what you don't like. Anyway, so you kind of still have to schedule that. So do it on Monday, right? So you have on Monday, must do this assignment for that course. Remember, Monday, whatever, August 25, Monday, you start that right away, and go for the fourth class syllabus, every assignment. When you have to start working on it, put that date. When you put the due date on the assignment, you don't know what else will come on that day, and what else going to be due on that day, and how long will it take you to do that. Because if you put just that assignment is due then, and you don't look into the syllabus, and you don't estimate how long will it take you to do that, guess what, a day comes and it's due tomorrow, and oh my, I had to start like a week ago. You won't make it, because you need to schedule, you need to pay attention. So in the beginning of the semester, and a good student would even email a professor like a week in advance, maybe 5 days in advance before semester starts, and says, well, I am so and so, my major in family science, major concentration family science, Bachelor of Arts in sociology, and I'm taking your class. Can I have a syllabus so I can plan my studying well? And a good professor will email you the syllabus to begin with, even before the class opens. So you have an advantage. You have the syllabus, the most important element. It's a contract between you and the professor. Professor cannot ask you to do any other assignments besides those that they put in the syllabus. So the syllabus is the law for this course, and whatever is in that law, you have to do it by the minute, by the day, by the hour when it's due. So you know the due date, you know the assignment, estimate how long will it take you to do, add a couple of days for accidentals, for right to excellence center, and put must start due date on Monday. And don't play games, don't go out, don't do any kind of social parties, don't go on media, on social media, on your cell phone. No, unless you do this work first, unless you have it, it's right in front of you. So Monday, the first week of classes, you have access to the syllabus. Do this planning, it will save your life. It will be in front of you on the wall. No power outlets, no internet access will prevent you from accessing what is due, when, and how you have to work on it. That's how I was able to make it. But I also had the support of my wife, who has taken care of me, has taken care of our daughter, who has taken care of the whole household. And I wouldn't be able to do my academic life without my wife. So please let your family system support you as well. Talk to your children, talk to your everybody who is around you, talk to your friends and say, hey, this fall, I'll say just happy birthday, but I won't come for that party. I will not come for a ball game. I'm not going to go there because I must do this assignment on that due date. Otherwise, those assignments will drive you crazy. And I don't want that to happen. So you enjoy the rest of this day. If any questions rise, email elijah@mcneese.edu. Elijah, like the prophet in the Bible. And I shall talk to you later. You enjoy the rest of this day. Bye.